The FD300 is an economical, space-saving document folder ideal for any small organization with folding needs. The rugged compact folder can fold documents up to 14 inches in length and up to 8.5 inches wide. At speeds of up to 7,400 sheets per hour, the FD300 completes folding tasks in no time. The FD300 comes pre-marked with fold settings in both 11-inch and 14-inch sizes. A chart is conveniently located on the in-feed of the folder to identify where each fold plate should be set. The FD300 features a belt-driven stacker conveyor with out-feed wheels to keep folded documents in a neat and sequential order. It also includes a 3-digit counter to keep track of the number of sheets folded. The auto batch mode allows for a set number of sheets to be folded with a pause in between sets for easy handling. The FD300 is easy to set up right out of the box. Simply set the folder on a level, sturdy surface, lower the catch tray, open the feed table extension, and then insert the fold plates. Next, set the fold plates using the fold chart mentioned earlier, adjust the outfeed stacker wheels, and then load the documents to be folded and press start. In no time, the documents will be folded with crisp, accurate folds ready for further processing.